Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. So today I'm going to be doing another thrift flip from my closet. Today I have these pants right here. Now these pants is a little bit snug, and I want to turn them into, guess what, another skirt. I love skirts. So what I'm going to do is fold the pants and then mark my cut where I want to cut it. So I want to cut it right about here. I want to make a mini skirt, a mini skirt. So I'm gonna cut it right around here. Now, once I cut it, I'm gonna cut the middle part open. Okay. So then you gotta cut ounce. And then on the back side, you gotta cut it up as well. Okay, so now you're gonna fold this over so that it lay flat, and then you're just gonna stitch straight down. So I'm gonna put a pin in it so I know exactly where to stitch it. Put that pin right there. And then I'm gonna do the other side. It's gonna turn it over going that way. So now, with this fabric, I wanna make a heart-shaped denim bag. So, let's cut that out. So what I'm gonna do is cut the pants leg open so that I'll have more fabric to make my heart. Yep, so I'm just gonna cut all the way around. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the second heart, and then I'm gonna take the remaining scraps and then I'm gonna cut out pieces to join together for my ruffle. Now I want these pieces to be maybe about 2 to 2.5 inches. Now I'm going to take the strips that I cut out. I'm going to join them together to make one long strip. I ended up cutting off a piece from the leg, the bottom of the leg, and making a pocket. I'm just going to go ahead and stitch that down. Here. Have a little pocket. It ain't going to be too deep, but that's fine. Now I'm going to take the straps and I'm going to add them to the edges of the bag. Put a little ruffle on it. Put a little ruffle on it. Just like that, all the way around the bag. Placing 2 red zippers on either side. So, just putting a zipper here. It's a heart shape, so it's gonna be a little bit loopy. And then stitch this down. Do. And this is the final touch. Please let me know down in the comment section, what do you think? Is it too new for you? I think so. Thank you so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate it. Don't forget, sew it up, sew it up. Watch how it turns out. Bye.